Good day guys, in this video we're talking about how to sell stocks on Google Finance. First up, of course, navigate to Google Finance official page. Alright guys, and to sell your stock you just need to identify and choose which stock you wish to sell. For example, let's choose something, for example Nvidia, right here. So in here you can view all of the info, how much it costs, did it grow or not. As you can see, we have percentage of growth and today's as well. We have after hours and also all of the info on the right over here. And when you're ready to sell, of course, provided that you already have and own some kind of percentage of the stock, you can just go into this page and start selling, guys. Just make sure to not sell too much. For example, if you're still willing to hold some of the stocks and make profit off of it. And yeah, pretty much very easy. Just choose the one you wish and then proceed with the sell. Guys, if this helped you out, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.